let's do a back to school makeup routine that you could do when you wake up so early in the morning and you can feel your best if you want to wear makeup. I'm using one brand, which is Mented Cosmetics, and I absolutely love this brand, so I'm super excited to show you how I would do my makeup using these products. So we're gonna use the Skin by Mented foundation, and this is in the shade L10. This color I feel like is a great match for me because it's super natural, it's lightweight, it's not drying either, so I feel like this is just perfect for any skin type. Since this is going to be a very quick makeup look, because if you just want to hurry up and go to school. Now we're going to go with mascara. This is the Long Live the Lash mascara, and I'm just going to apply a few coats of this. An eyebrow pencil. It's like very fine, so I feel like you could really just get that hair-like strokes. That is what the brow looks like. Super easy, super natural. It literally took me like 5 seconds. Because the brow pencil is so fine, you can really just get in there and like draw each individual hair if you want to. We're gonna go in with bronzer, and I feel like bronzer is a necessity when I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, because I do want to look sun-kissed still, and I want to look like I've just been like kissed by the sun and kind of bronzed. As you can see, like it just adds a little bit more color to your face and just brings it back to life. This is without bronzer and this is with bronzer. I'm gonna take the Mented setting powder. This is my holy grail. And just tap a little bit of that powder, and then we're just gonna set under our eyes just where we need to. In the shade Berried Away, and the shade name is just so cute. I don't need a lot with this blush, so I just like to tap over and a little bit on my nose, just eyeshadow sticks, and this is in the shade Rosey Posey, and we're just gonna add a little bit of that in the inner corner just to brighten up the look a little bit. Love to line my lips. Lip liner in the shade Lala. Blend that out with my finger. Lip gloss. We're just gonna go ahead and apply that on. Gloss is not sticky whatsoever. For the last step is the Better Setter setting spray. You could do this look in actually like 10 minutes before you leave the house. Like there's not a lot of steps. I'm gonna turn off the light so you can see. But yeah, this is what it looks like if you just wanted to wear makeup for school. I feel like this is the perfect balance if you wanted to just do something natural but also just like have a little something. Let me know what your favorite products were from the products that I showed you, and don't forget to check out Mented Cosmetics. Their link will be in my description box, and also if you wanted to get money off, I do have a code which is RISA15, and I will talk to you in my next video.